Hey there, welcome back to another exciting class. In previous video, I was telling you basically I defined the rack in three steps. One is data source, second is retriever, and third is generator. In this video, we're continuing with the data source. Data source means indexing phase. What is indexing phase? Indexing phase means split the bigger documents into smaller parts and save it in it and store it in the database. So in the indexing phase, what you basically do, so this is your indexing phase. In the indexing phase, what you basically do, you basically expect from the user to provide some data, and you do some chunking, that splitting the data into smaller chunks and send it to a embedding model to generate vector embeddings. And after generate the vector embeddings, you store it in a vector DB. What is vector DB? Vector DB is a special database to store vectors. It cannot just store vectors, it can also store content of the data. So, and plus metadata. Metadata means a page number, a document type, etc. So at this particular point, what you have done is split the bigger document into smaller parts and store it in a vector database. So this is your indexing phase. That is it. In the next video, we are going to learn about the retrieval phase. So let me catch up you in the next video.